Now let us consider some examples. First one is 3-ethyl. So CH2CH3 means ethyl. 3-ethyl 2-pentanol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 carbons we have pent. OH is there, OL. So 3-ethyl 2-pentanol. So 3-ethyl 2-pentanol we are adding concentrated H2SO4 at 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. So whenever we use this reagent at this temperature, then it always eliminates water. That means we have to eliminate one OH, that is a leaving group, and we have to eliminate one hydrogen from right hand side carbon or left hand side carbon. So if we look at the first carbon CH3, so first carbon CH3 means it is a primary carbon, CH3 raito primary. But the hydrogen elimination from the primary carbon, it is always a minor product, not a major product. So the elimination of hydrogen from the first carbon, then it gives a minor product. But the hydrogen elimination from the left hand side carbon, third carbon, so it gives major product. Since third carbon which contain only one hydrogen means it is a tertiary hydrogen, tertiary carbon. So tertiary hydrogen, tertiary carbon say hydrogen elimination possible, called as Sitjab's rule. So therefore the hydrogen from the third carbon, OH from the second carbon are eliminated in the form of H2O, so that between 2 and 3 one double bond is formed, so that the product is 3-methyl 2-pentene. Now let us see one more. 2-methyl 3-pentanol. यहाँ पर second carbon में ऊपर में CH3 है, 2-methyl OH third carbon में 3-pentanol. So for this we are adding H3PO4 at 470 Kelvin. तो ये reagent ले लिया तो ये temperature में वो dehydration करता है. So OH is there, that is a leaving group from the third carbon. So the hydrogen is eliminated from the second carbon or the fourth carbon. If you look at the fourth carbon, it contains CH2. क्यों बोलो तो यहाँ पर fourth carbon के पास single bond में है. बोलो तो second fourth carbon के पास 2 हाइड्रोजन्स रहता. So 2 हाइड्रोजन्स रहे तो प्राइमरी कार्बन हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पर फोर्थ कार्बन ये वो इसमें से हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेशन करे तो वो माइनर प्रोडक्ट देता है. बट इफ लुक एट द सेकंड कार्बन, द सेकंड कार्बन कंटेन कार्बन कार्बन कार्बन. सो सेकंड कार्बन इज एसोसिएटेड बाय, it is surrounded by 3 carbons, means second carbon is a tertiary carbon. So tertiary carbon के पास एक हाइड्रोजन रहता है. So we have to eliminate the hydrogen from the second carbon, OH from the third carbon, so that between 2 and 3 one double bond is formed, so that it forms the product is 2-methyl 2-pentene. Now let us say one more. So 1-methyl 1-cyclohexanol. So we are adding alumina at 380 degrees Celsius. Then तो यहाँ पर OH A कार्बन को अटैच्ड है. So we can eliminate the hydrogen from this carbon, or we can eliminate the hydrogen from the CH3 also methyl. CH3 बोलो तो प्राइमरी कार्बन है. So if you remove the hydrogen from the primary carbon CH3, then in between these two carbon double bond is formed. तो प्राइमरी कार्बन से हाइड्रोजन ले लिया तो वो माइनर प्रोडक्ट हो जाता है. बट इफ यू रिमूव द हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कार्बन, then the left hand side carbon is secondary carbon. Since इसमें साइड a carbon, this carbon is surrounded by carbon carbon, means it is a secondary carbon, so that it forms 1-methyl 1-cyclohexene. तो यहाँ पर एलिमिनेशन a कार्बन में से होता है, so that between these two carbon 192 double bond is formed. So the product is 1-methyl 1-cyclohexene. Now if you look at one more example. So this is the OH group. So we have to eliminate the hydrogen. Since OH is the leaving group, hydrogen is also leaving group. So we can eliminate the hydrogen from this carbon only. So that so in between these two carbon one double bond is generated, so that it becomes benzene. Now let us see one more. So it is also one of the alcohol. So we have to eliminate the hydrogen from the right hand side, double bond is there, not possible. So we have to eliminate the hydrogen from the left hand side carbon only, so that between these two carbon double bond is generated. So similarly here also 1-cyclohexanol. So we are using dehydrating agent P4O10 continuous heating. so that the hydrogen from the right hand side carbon, it is CH2, left hand side carbon CH2, so that we can eliminate from this carbon or this carbon also, since CH2 CH2 both are same. So I am eliminating the hydrogen from the right hand side carbon, so that in between them one double bond is generated. Now let us see one more. So if we consider this 2-methyl 1-cyclohexanol, so we are adding dehydrating agent. Then here between the OH, this is the carbon. On right hand side we have CH2, on the left hand side we have CH. तो राइट हैंड साइड में CH2 है, यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं रहे तो यहाँ पर CH2 रहता, प्राइमरी कार्बन है. So if we eliminate the hydrogen from this carbon, so that it forms a minor product. But if we eliminate the hydrogen from the tertiary carbon, so this is the tertiary carbon, so that it forms a major product. Between these two carbon, one double bond is generated.